Every December is the busiest month. Maraming mga red sign sales sa mga mall, sa mga streets, sa mga store, offering us to buy more for less. But this remind us how easily our focus can be drawn to what is temporary. Sometimes privileges, blessing, comforts aren't just gifts. They can be traps. Ang makamundong kaginawaan ay maaring magligaw sa atin palayo sa ministeryo ng Diyos. Madalas mas pinipili natin yung mga bagay na nakapagbibigay ng pansamantalang saya kaysa mga bagay na tunay na nakapagbibigay kaluwalhatian sa Diyos. Ang sabi sa 1 John 2:15, "Do not love the world and anything in the world. For anyone who loves the world, the love of the Father is not in them." In the Bible, the story in Mark 10:17-22, there is a young man who came to Jesus. This man is very respectful, obedience, and very religious. Sinunod niya yung mga utos, meron siyang katayuan sa buhay, at yung taong na to ay mayaman. From outside, mukha siyang pinagpala. But when he asked Jesus, "What I must do to inherit eternal life?" Jesus looked at him with love and said in Mark 10:21, "Go, sell everything you have and give them to the poor. Then come, follow me." That wasn't about the money, it is about separation. But this young man walked away sad. Malungkot to. Hindi dahil sa galit sa Diyos, kundi dahil sa kanyang mga pribilehiyo, nagkaroon siya ng maling pagkaunawa kung ano talaga ang nais ng Diyos. Listen closely. Do not let the privileges redefine your calling. Do not let the privileges blinded you. Huwag nating hayaan na mabulag tayo ng mga pribilehiyo upang malayo tayo sa kung anong kalooban ng Diyos. And remember this, if privileges keeps you away from following Jesus, it's not a blessing. It's a barrier. God bless.